Hey, your workday just ended. You're tired, you're walking home, and suddenly someone talks to you in English. Hey, how was your day? And you freeze.
You know what to say in your head, but the words, they don't come out.
Why does that happen?
And more importantly, how do you fix it?
Today, we're going to shadow real evening conversations. The kind of English you actually need. Every evening, every day.
So stay with us, because this episode, it changes everything.
Welcome back to Easy Lingo English. I'm Paul from New York.
And I'm Anna from California.
And today is day 2.
If you did day 1 with us, amazing. You're already ahead.
If this is your first time, that's completely okay. You can always do day 1 later. Right now, just focus on today.
Here's what we're doing today. Number 1, real evening conversations. Things people say after work.
Number 2, work conversations. Simple, useful sentences for your job.
And number 3, a vocabulary secret at the end that makes you sound more natural instantly.
We're going to practice all of this with shadowing.
You know shadowing, right?
We say the sentence slowly, then at normal speed. Then you repeat after us.
It's the fastest way to build real speaking confidence. So let's go.
Okay. Imagine this. Your day is done. You leave your office, or your school, or wherever you work.
And the evening begins. These are the sentences people say every single evening.
Shadow with us. Repeat after each sentence. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try. Sentence 1. I finally finished work. I finally finished work.
Sentence 2. I'm so tired right now. I'm so tired right now.
Sentence 3. Let me grab something to eat. Let me grab something to eat.
Sentence 4. I'm on my way home. I'm on my way home.
Sentence 5. Can we meet later tonight? Can we meet later tonight?
Sentence 6. I need to relax for a bit. I need to relax for a bit.
Sentence 7. What are you doing this evening? What are you doing this evening?
Sentence 8. I'll probably just stay home. I'll probably just stay home.
Sentence 9. Do you want to grab dinner together? Do you want to grab dinner together?
And sentence 10. Today was really long. I'm exhausted. Today was really long. I'm exhausted.
Good job. Seriously, those 10 sentences, you can use all of them, starting tonight.
And here's something important. Grab means get quickly. Let me grab something to eat means
Let me get some food fast.
Native speakers say grab all the time. Grab a coffee, grab a seat, grab your bag.
So simple, but so natural. You know, there was this moment once. I was coming home after a really long day. My friend texted me, "Want to grab dinner?" And I wrote back, "Yes, I'm exhausted. Let's go." That's it. That's the whole conversation.
4 simple sentences. And we understood each other perfectly.
You don't need complicated English. You need real English. The kind that works in real life.
And that's exactly what we're teaching you.
Okay, now let's talk about work.
A lot of people feel nervous about English at work.
Because it feels more serious, right?
But here's the truth. Work English is actually very simple. The same short sentences, the same easy words.
Just in a different place. Let's shadow together.
Sentence 1. I'll send you the email later. I'll send you the email later.
Sentence 2. Can you check this for me? Can you check this for me?
Sentence 3. I have a meeting in 10 minutes. I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
Sentence 4. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything.
Sentence 5. I'm working on it right now. I'm working on it right now.
Sentence 6. Could we talk about this later? Could we talk about this later?
Sentence 7. I'll finish this by end of day. I'll finish this by end of day.
Sentence 8. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat?
Sentence 9. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me.
And sentence 10. Thanks for your help today. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your help today. I really appreciate it.
Beautiful. Those 10 sentences, people say them every single day at work.
And sentence 8. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? This is so important.
I didn't catch that means I didn't hear or understand.
It's polite, it's natural, and it's perfectly okay to say.
You don't need to pretend you understood. You don't need to panic. Just say, sorry, I didn't catch that.
And people will repeat. No problem.
Okay, let's do a quick review.
We're going fast. 2 seconds each. Are you ready?
Shadow every sentence. Let's go.
I'm on my way home.
Let me grab something to eat.
I need to relax for a bit.
I'll send you the email later.
I'm working on it right now.
Could we talk about this later?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat?
That sounds good to me.
Do you want to grab dinner together?
Thanks for your help today. I really appreciate it.
Yes, you did it.
20 sentences. And you said all of them. That's real progress. Okay, now the vocabulary secret.
Oh, this is the part I love.
One phrase that makes everything sound more natural.
The phrase is, I'll get to it.
I'll get to it. Slow. I'll get to it. Natural. I'll get to it.
What does it mean? It means, I will do it soon. I haven't done it yet, but I will.
Examples. Can you clean the kitchen? Yeah, I'll get to it.
Did you finish the report?
Not yet. I'll get to it after lunch. It's relaxed. It's natural. Native speakers say this all the time.
At home? At work? With friends?
Add it to your English. Starting today.
Before we end today, I want to say something.
Go ahead.
A lot of people think that to speak good English, they need to know thousands of words. But that's not true.
Think about today. We practiced 20 sentences. Simple words. Short sentences.
And with those 20 sentences, you can talk after work. You can talk at your job. You can understand real conversations.
This is what we believe. You don't need more words. You need the right words.
Used correctly. Said naturally. In real situations.
And slowly, day by day, it gets easier.
It really does.
So that's day 2. Evening English for daily life and work.
You now have 10 after-work sentences. 10 work sentences, 1 vocabulary secret, and a rapid-fire review.
Your homework is simple. Tonight, use just one sentence. One. Maybe text a friend. I'm exhausted. Today was really long.
That's it. 1 sentence. Real English. Real life.
And if you want to go deeper, write your own evening in the comments below.
Where are you going tonight? What are you doing? Write it in English. Even 1 sentence. We read every comment.
And we're proud of every person who tries.
Because trying is how confidence starts.
Subscribe to Easy Lingo English. We're here every week, making real English feel easy.
See you on day 3.
Keep going. You're doing better than you think.